everyone, today I will be showcasing C# video number 4. In this video I'll show you how to make a C# WinForm, pretty simple, and how to make a .NET framework form disappear whenever you click a button or checkbox, or when, let's say, something equals to something else. So let's say you wanted to do if a button equals 10, like you had a counter and you made it go up by 1 every time. Let's say if you wanted to make it go to 10, and when it got to 10 a new form would pop up and it would say, congrats, you made it to like level 10 or something. Okay, pretty simple. So here's the menu from C# number 3 and number 2 from me working on it. So I'm gonna delete these, keep these up here. I'll put a new button down, Guna, because Guna's just amazing. And then let's make a new form. I'm just gonna call it form 2 because it doesn't matter. Okay, now this is called form 2. And then whenever this button is clicked, you want it to run this code. You want it to hide the form, and then you want form 2 to equal something. So I'm just gonna say free equals new form 2, and after that you want to put free dot show dialog, and after that you want to put this dot close. So now whenever you click this button, it will run this code and it will hide form 1, and then it will show form 2. So let me start it. Now when I click this button, it opens up a new form that's on my other screen. I can't move it, but I go over here, change this to form 2, change where this shows up. Now when this button's clicked, it pops up this new menu. And then here, I'll change some of the color settings on this. 2727, change the border thickness to 1. Let's change this to red. Let's say you want it to be rounded just a little. Change that to 10. On hover state, you want to change that to like red, or this to your main color too. So then when you hover over, it will stay the same color as your background, and then I'll name this the next form. Now whenever you click the button, it goes to the next form as you just saw. And over here on form 2, let's say you want to go back to form 1. You can copy the same code from here, and all you have to do is change form 2 to form 1, and then change form 2 over here to form 1. Build it, click start, click next form, open up this one, click next one. Pretty simple. You can just do this. You can make it so that, let's say, when they click next form, it brings them to form 2. And then let's say you have all your like cheat features on here. Instead of it going to that next form, like whenever you have it like that, instead you could have it as whenever it is closed. So let's say that like you have a login system over here. You have like the username, password, key, and then like let's say this is login. When you have it like that, and then over here in form 2, you could have all your cheat stuff over here. You can have it in a panel, but then you can make it so that whenever it's closed, it closes that form, opens up this form, and then they can just close it. So all it does is just log them out. It doesn't close it, it just logs them out. Pretty simple. And then I'm not sure if it works with checkbox, but I'll see. Well, I'll start it. Yep, it works with checkboxes too. So let's say you had something where it says, I'll change the text so you can read it. Change it to remember password. And then over here, we will put something like this, like a disclaimer saying like if anything happens, or like just something, anything. Let's say password saves. Password saved. And you can have this right in the middle. Change the font size. So you click that, and boom, and then this will pop up. You could do a lot with this. You just need to know what you want to do with it. Pretty simple, easy to do. And then let's say you wanted to have it where you would have to click a button in order to do something. Like, so let's say this is add 1 to counter. Okay. And then let's say, let me pull out a label. I have a label out here. I'm going to call it counter equals 0. Now, whenever 1 is added to this, like whenever you click this, it'll add a counter to 1. Like counter will add 1 to that. So now this, you want to double click the code for the button, delete that, counter plus 1 if gonna to button on click. Well, I haven't done this in a while, but pretty much you want to make it so that whenever the button is clicked, it will add 1 to the counter. Plus. No, that worked. Yeah. Okay. And then you want to have it so that if counter 1 equals 10, or is equal to 10, you want it to run this code down here, where it shows form 2. So let's try it. Oh shoot, hold on. So now when I start this, see? Now let me go to 10. Boom. Now let's say instead of like here, I'll delete this so that it just closes it. And then let's say instead of saying password saves, say, congrats, you reached number 10. And I'll change the font size down. So now, when you reach 10, congrats, you reached number 10. Simple. Let's say you wanted to make a cheat where that if they got to around, I'm just using like zombies for example. If they got to a certain round, you might say that like, congrats, or like just pop up a message box saying like, good job, you got to a certain round or something. Or you got to like a weapon ID, like you're changing your weapons, you got to a certain weapon ID. You could say, congrats, you got to the special weapon, or something like that. Really simple. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what else I should show or add. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.